guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to go over our maintenance routine with you guys. This will be our routine for a protective style such as braids, because I've been getting a lot of questions lately asking how I'm able to preserve her hairstyle for such a long period of time. And the answer really is very simple. We really don't do much to it at all. But sometimes I add these clips to the end of our styling videos and they get lost, so I did want to make a dedicated video of this routine so that it's easier for you guys to find it on my channel. I've already done a video on how we maintain our hair while it's in ponytails, and I've already done a video on how we maintain her hair if it's in a twisted style. So if you have not seen any of those videos, I will link them in the description box, so make sure you check there. For the twist and braids, the routine is pretty much the same, but with twists we use an extra cap because her twists tend to get frizzy a lot faster than the braids do, so we add an extra layer of protection, so to speak. But I did record her hair over the course of, I believe this was 10 days. These clips are either in the mornings before school or at night before she goes to bed, but I did want to show you exactly how simple this routine is with braids. And this is one of the reasons why I love doing protective styles on her hair, because I don't have to do anything to her hair really before she goes to school. So I would just start with the cap that we use. It's from the brand Stay On Satin, and I will link that also in our description box. But in the back of the cap it has a hole where the hair is supposed to go. I love this cap because her braids don't have any creases in them the next day. And one of my subscribers told me that they make one similar to this without the hole, but it has a pouch for longer hair that's supposed to protect the hair as well, but I have not come across that yet. But once I do, I will try it and see if it works just the same. But yeah, she wore this cap to bed every night, and it does a really good job at protecting her hair while she sleeps. As far as other products that we use during maintenance, the only other product I added was an oil. I always make sure that her hair is super moisturized on wash day so that I don't have to add anything extra to her hair. For this style I used As I Am's Double Butter Cream, and I also added jam as well. I used the cream on the length of her hair and I added the jams to the roots to slick down her hair. And I feel like those products did a really good job at keeping her hair moisturized throughout the duration of this style. I could have added more jam to her hair to slick down the frizzy or some type of gel, but I didn't. Every couple of days I would add oil to my hands, rub them together, and massage it mainly on her roots and scalp. And that is literally all that we did. I like to add braids to her hair, especially during the school year, because it saves us so much time in the mornings. It can take me sometimes hours to do a braided hairstyle, but not having to spend so much time on the hair in the mornings is definitely worth the struggle on wash day. And as you can see, her braids do get frizzy as the days go on, but having natural hair, frizz is inevitable, and it's something that we have learned to embrace because there's nothing you can really do about it unless you take down the style and redo it, and I'm not about to do that until the next wash day. So her hair was frizzy by the end of the style, but it wasn't just out of control where it looked crazy. She kept this style in for a little over 2 weeks, but I stopped recording the clips after about 10 days because y'all get the point by now. I hope this did answer y'all questions that you had about our nighttime routine and maintenance. If it did not, you can leave your questions down below and I'll be happy to answer them in the comment section. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up. And yeah, we'll see you guys on our next video.